State true or false. Expressions with two unlike terms is called monomial. False. Let's clear the concepts over here. Few concepts. Now, an algebraic expression is a one or more algebraic terms containing variables or constants connected by mathematical operations. Mathematical operations means plus minus anything. It should contain constants and variables. Constant means 2, 3, 4, etc. Variables means x, y, x square, y square, anything. Terms are elements separated by plus or minus sign. See this. These are the terms. This is one term, this is two term, this is third term. Then in the algebraic expressions, variables are letters such as a, b, c, x, y, z, whatever, which can be changed. These are that is called as letters. Then constants are terms or elements represented by numbers. Constants here. This 5 is a constant. Is there any x or a or b attached to it? No. Coefficients are number of the terms that multiply a variable or power of the variable. It means in this a square minus 6a plus 5, this minus 6 is a coefficient. It multiplies with a. If in place of a square there would have been 5a square, then the coefficient for a square would have been 5. Here the coefficient of a is minus 6. Okay. Now check this monomial. There should not be any plus or minus sign between the two terms. Okay. So minus 3x square is separate, 2ab is separate. So these two are separate monomials. Over here, a cube minus b cube. This is a binomial. There is a 1 minus sign which separates two terms separate. Two terms, right? In trinomial, minus plus, there are three terms. So that's why it's trinomial. Polynomial means there are four terms. Instead, when it goes beyond 3, it's called as polynomial. So this is a polynomial. Remember these basics. So with two unlike terms, it's called as binomial. Then next, the sum of two unlike terms in term is a term with a coefficient equal to the sum of the coefficients of the two unlike terms. Now that is again false. Means what? Understand this first. Two unlike terms means this is x cube, this is x square. Can these two be added? No. That's what the question says. If you add two unlike terms, then the answer is 2 plus 3, 5. So that is not the case. So that's why it is false. You can add similar terms. If this would have been x cube, then this answer would have been 5x cube, 2 plus 3. But x cube and x square cannot be added. Similarly, x, y, a, b, anything which is not same, you cannot add. Next, value of 4y square minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 12 if y equals to minus 1. Very easy. Just put this value of y. 4 into minus 1 square, that minus 1 square is always plus, so 4 into 1, 4, 5 into minus 1, so this becomes plus, minus into minus plus, 5, then 3 as it is. Solve this. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12, so the answer is